Welcome to Make It Monday with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, all you savvy naturalistas and Ohana. Welcome to another episode of Make It Monday. But hold up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome family. I would love to have you a part of our Ohana. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Make sure you thumbs up this video. If you would like to get to know me, your host, Chandler AZ, make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel. And in this episode of Make It Monday, we are making a green tea salt scrub. So many of you really love my green tea recipes. So I decided to make a green tea salt scrub because what goes perfectly with green tea sugar scrub cups than a green tea salt scrub. And we are going to be using Domatcha. Domatcha, it was kind enough to send me their lovely green tea, or Domatcha for all y'all who got something to say about me saying matcha. But they were so kind enough to send me their green tea. So I would like to thank them so much for sending me this. It was so sweet of them. And many of you know I've been saying it in all my videos that that is one of my favorite green teas. I did my green tea scrub cups, and I used that green tea powder. You guys know I believe in buying quality green matcha green tea. Get the quality kind. Don't go and sacrifice quality for price. I always believe in a good quality, anything that you decide to use. So you guys, let's go make this really cool green tea salt scrub, and let's go. So in this episode of Making Monday, we are making a green tea salt scrub with Domatcha green tea. Domatcha green tea was so kind enough to send me this beautiful matcha. So I'm so excited to try it, you guys. Although side note, y'all know I use this one in like 50 other videos. So you know what? I'm just going to leave green tea cards all through the comments. Through the section of this video. So don't worry, you can catch up on my other green tea videos. So we're going to start off with using 1 cup and 3/4 cup of salt. So this is just a granulated fine sea salt. However, if you want to alternate this between sugar, you can go ahead and do that. I have a sugar scrub on my blog. I'm going to leave a link down below to the green tea sugar scrub recipe that I do have on my blog, so you guys can see that recipe if you want to do variations on that recipe from this recipe. And many of you know I never have the right utensils, so this is going to be a 3/4 cup of salt. And this is a fine sea salt. So now we're going to use a tablespoon of kale and clay. So now we're going to use a teaspoon of Domatcha green tea. So we're just going to use a teaspoon. And a lot of you, I talk about this a lot in other videos, and I'm going to talk about it right now. When it comes to color, a lot of you ask, oh, well, how do you get your green so vibrant on your photos, or my greens don't look like that? It's because you need to use a good quality green tea. How many times do I have to tell you guys to use a good quality green tea? A good quality green tea plus lighting will go a long way. Trust me, this looks green. It's like Domatcha is a really good quality of green tea. So we're just going to use a teaspoon of it. See the color? Look how vibrant it is. Isn't it beautiful? I love this. Hashtag this video is not sponsored. They were just kind enough to send me some of their tea because they know I love their green tea. But just look it. Look it. Oh my God, you guys, it's just beautiful. So we're going to use a teaspoon of that. Side note, this is not a new utensil, okay? I haven't got new utensils. Yeah, I'm just using this one, okay? I found somewhere now. It may get lost again. So don't expect it in the other videos when we use a teaspoon. So now you just want to mix up all your dry ingredients until they're combined. So now that all our dry ingredients are combined with our matcha, of course, we're going to start by adding our oil. So the first oil we're going to add is Miracle Glow oil, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow oil contains all natural 24 karat gold. And I want to thank you guys so much for buying this oil and showing your support, so much for hashtagging all your Instagram pictures, your Facebook pictures. Thank you so much. And you know, I'm just so happy that you guys really support this oil. So thank you so much for purchasing Miracle Glow oil. You can also find our new Larimar elixir at savvynaturalista.com. And we will be adding a new facial mask to savvynaturalista.com. I'm actually creating a formula for it. So it should be up probably in either March, April, or May. You guys, I am trying to get the formula correct. So right now I'm just testing it on my skin, giving it out to people to test to make sure it is perfect to add to the website. Plus, I don't know if I want to put it in plastic jar or if I don't want to put it in like a glass jar. Because most of my oils are in glass. And I don't know, should I put it in plastic or glass? I don't know, I'm still depending. I'm still trying to figure it out. But it will be a blue facial mask, so I'm really excited. It will be all natural. So now we're going to use an orange essential oil. This one is a really nice one to use. However, you can use any essential oil you like for your salt scrub. And we're going to use about 40 drops of it just to give it a lovely, perfect scent. So I'm really excited for this green tea salt scrub. And this is for you guys who love a good salt scrub, because I know many of you do. I know you do. I know you do. So now we're going to use 1 cup of sunflower seed oil. However, the option is coconut oil. Just with the weather being in most places, like right now here in Arizona, the weather is about 77 degrees or 71 degrees, and other places it's a little cooler. So, you know, depending on where you are, just use a different type of oil. And I don't want my oils to be cold, because right now the oil is solid at 71 degrees. So we're just going to be using sunflower oil. So I know, look how beautiful this looks. So now we're going to mix this in together until it's combined. And you just want to make sure all of it is combined. So I know if this is too much oil for you, you can always use less oil if you don't like your sugar scrub to like this, like emulsified. So this is considered an emulsified sugar scrub. And if you don't like it emulsified like this, then by all means go ahead and use less oil. So since I used a cup to 1 3/4 cup of sugar, you can use 3/4 cup of oil to make it less emulsified, or you can just add more sugar. So I'm gonna just give you guys a little instance. For instance, we could just add another 1/4 cup of sugar and it will be a less emulsified. That's just a little tip. See, it's a little less emulsified. And look at it. Can't you tell the difference how less emulsified it is? But I like it a little runny and more emulsified, so that's why I use a cup of sugar. You really don't necessarily need so many butters and stuff. Most butters, depending on the butters you use, they will clog your pores. So this is the finished product. Let's do a close-up. Look how beautiful it looks. Isn't it beautiful? So I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of DIY Saturday. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out Miracle Glow Oil at savvynaturalista.com. I also want to thank Dough Matcha so much for giving me this lovely green tea, sending me this lovely green tea to use in the skincare recipe. And thank you guys so much for watching and the support. And I'll see you in our next episode of Make It Monday.